Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be discussing about what is stock market. The stock market is a simply marketplace where people buy and sell ownership in companies. When you buy a stock, you own a small part of that company. Companies list their shares in stock exchange like BSE or NSE in India to raise money. Investors and traders buy those shares hoping their value will increase. The price of a stock changes every second based on demand and supply. So the stock market is nothing but a place where businesses meet investors. Let's look at the compounded annualized growth return for each broader index. Let's look at the Sensex first. Sensex has delivered 15.6% return, which is the CAGR return over the last 44 years. And the same, if you look at Nifty 50, which has a 50 stocks, it has delivered 12.93% returns. That is a CAGR of as of April 2025. And the same with Bank Nifty. The Bank Nifty since last 20 years CAGR is 16.27%. So this is the broader index returns, which is the CAGR returns for the mentioned years. There are four ways you can make money in stock markets. The first one would be the capital appreciation, like when you buy a stock at a lower price and you sell it at a higher price. The second is the company distribute the dividends from their profits on a regular basis. It can be yearly once or quarterly once. It's subject to the profit of the company. The third one is the trading profits. It's, if you are a trader or if you are a short-term trader, or you can buy and sell on an intraday basis, or even the swing trading, you can make the money through trading profits. But please remember, trading is a risky part. If you know how to do it, it's a very easy. But most of the time, we need to handle it very carefully when it comes to trading. And the last one is compounding through SAP investments or long-term investing, like a monthly savings of very small portion of your income. Out of your income, you can contribute towards the SAP, which will generate the returns over the period of long run. So these are the ways that you can make money in stock markets. But some of you feel that it's a very basic. Yes, this session is only for the very beginners, those who wants to know about the stock markets from the scratch. And please go through the disclaimer. Thanks for watching this video.